What is up, my guys? Today we have another unboxing. It's been a while since we've done one of these, but today's package comes from Jason. Say hi.
Hi.
There we go. Oh boy. We got a note here. Me filming an elevator. I do like Montgomery elevators. Hey, what's this down here? See guys, that's not nice. Don't ever trade parts with bullies. This dude went all freaking out. Look at this. These are instructions. This is what's inside. Wow, he made a whole wiring diagram and everything, instructions. Wow. Alright, well. Let's see, we got a bag. Thanks. Bubble wrap. We got this here. Oh. It's one of the buttons. Look at that. That's the first time I ever pushed one of those. Wow. Asbestos board right there. Man, look at how big it is. Just for a button. We'll put this to the side. Here's the other one. Same thing. And here is the box that Jason made. There's the faceplate for the button. Dominion Elevator Company. Wow. Look at how well built this is. Look how thick the metal is. Yeah, that's nice. You can see that people want it to go down a lot. And here we have the board. See, he nicely labeled where to put the buttons and everything. Number 3. We got 2 blocks of wood, 1 and 2. And obviously 1, 2, 3. Put them all together to make a thingy. Here we have a bag of stuff. Another bag that I sent crap in. Now it's has cooler stuff. Please disregard that. Let's see, we got a Midwest elevator pen. Nice. Little keychain, Midwest elevator. We got a circuit board. This is from a long controller, correct?
Yes.
Alright.
And the relay is too.
Yeah, look how fat this relay is. Yep, relay. I swear, he just sends me back my bags. Oh. Wow, this is the bag that I sent him a bunch of random stuff in. Look at how, like, many holes are in it and everything. I don't want this back, dude. Nerd. And we got lots of packaging. Oh, here's all the screws and everything. Look at that. We got a whole IKEA kit right here. This is Andrew's button panel. Jason restored it.
Yep.
Jason's like in the dark right now, but you guys get the point. There he is.